It's amazing to actually get a glimpse of sunshine and Maui. I've been in London since November, and we don't really see a lot of that, though spring is creeping in at the moment.
Creeping in means something is slowly and quietly starting to happen or appear, often without you noticing at first.
But to be seeing the flowers and the sun, I feel like voyeuristically happy.
Voyeuristically happy sounds unusual and is probably not the best word choice. Voyeuristically means watching someone or their private life in an intrusive way, especially when they would not want to be watched.
But I guess when I was made to feel like, did my clothes smell funny when I walked by in the hallway, or people smelled curry?
Smell funny means to have a strange, unusual, or bad smell.
Or, little things like that at 16 are so detrimental to self-worth, your sense of self.
Detrimental means causing harm, damage, or a bad effect on someone or something.
And the things that kids say, so horrible.
I think it's probably also, it's just being mean and, trying to hurt someone where you know that they are going to hurt. And in retrospect now, I think that they probably didn't even know what they were really doing.
Retrospect means looking back and thinking about something that happened in the past.
Because your brother Sid wants to get you out of his space and tells your mom, hey, send in her picture for this.
Send her to Mumbai, and
Send her to
he got his
Mumbai,
room back.
Yeah, I think that's pretty funny.
I really do give him a lot of credit, because I don't think I would have had this career or this job if it wasn't for his ingenious idea.
Ingenious means very clever, creative, and skillful at solving problems or inventing new ideas.
Subscribe to build fluency.